All right. So class, we are going to do the chapter 1 classwork right now. This chapter 1 classwork, you actually have 2 questions. Number 1 is write a C++ program, display you and your partner's name. My partner will be Jia Guan, your TA. And 2 will download the important notes. All right. Then then save as and answer these 4 questions. Okay, so that's started right now. And to start it, I need Visual Studio. So that's open Visual Studio. So at the Visual Studio, I'm at Visual Studio right now. So let me wait for you to have Visual Studio. Huh? So now Visual Studio, I want to create. So Visual Studio, I want to create a new project. Okay. So make sure, because Visual Studio is a large system, it can allow you to do various language. Make sure you choose a C++. All right. One C++ here, I make sure you choose empty project. Now, if you do it very frequently, or at least 2 times, it will be on left hand side, recent project template. So you can click on empty project easily. Okay, and I'm going to click next. All right, so this one, we're going to call this as chapter 1, classwork 1. Okay, chapter 1 classwork. So, chapter 1 classwork. So I do chapter 1 classwork. Okay, so chapter 1 classwork right now. So I say create. Alright, so add my chapter 1 classwork here. Add my chapter 1 classwork here. I saw my solution explorer. And I don't need property. This is for the other class. Okay, I don't need toolbox. Okay, this is for the other class. I'm just do it here. Okay, so add the source file here. Source file here. All right, I need to right click it and add a new item. And this is perfect. Don't do anything here, except here we change the same name. Chapter 1 classwork. Chapter 1 classwork. I add. Alright, so let me make this to 200%. And so now I need to type my golden 7 lines. Those are the 7 basic lines to create a console program. So the first line is pound sign include iostream. And it's not complete yet. You need to say, alright, in that directory and using namespace std. Okay. Now you put a semicolon. Then next line will be integer main as your main function, and close, open, close. Okay. Then you do system pass and return 0. That's a placeholder because you don't know what you're going to return right now. So these are the golden 7 lines. These are the important basic 7 lines before you can do anything. That's a basic 7 line to create a console C++ project. Okay, so I have these 7 lines right now. After I have 7 lines, I want to put 2 names. So I'm going to click here. I'm going to cout. Cout is console output, and follow with insertion operators. And whatever you put in quotation mark will be in the console. So I'm going to say, my name is Shin Liu, your instructor. Okay, I put \m, so this will allow me to move my cursor to the next line. All right, and now in cout, our second line, Okay, the TA for this class is Jia Yi Quan. All right. So I wait for you to have your name, your partner's name right now. If you couldn't find any partner in our class, you can put your father's name, your mother's name, your best friend's name. Just need to have 2 lines. So I have 2 lines right now. It's okay. I have 2 lines. After I have 2 lines, I double check everything is alright. Then I'm going to build it. I'm going to build a solution. I make sure I don't have mistake. And I'm going to start without debugging. Choose the second one. Start without debugging. Now I see my name is Xin Liu, your instructor. The TA for this class is Jia Yi Quan. And I can close it right now. Okay. So I have this right now. I'm going to look for my exe file. Alright. In order to look for my exe file, guys, I have to close solution. In order to let me see. I don't think so. I don't need to close it. Okay. So I'm going to go to my here. I go to my C drive. So let's go to your this PC. Look for C drive. Okay. I'm going to look for C drive. All right. Let me check it. Most of them will be exactly the same, but some of them are different. Differentiate between your PC and my PC. But C drive and go to user. My hard drive name is KT. So you come right here right now. And you look for your hard drive name. Okay. Then next one will be look for source. SOURCE, source. And repos. Alright, so look the file name right now. I believe it's chapter 1 classwork. Otherwise, you look for name October 25th. Open it up right now. Go to the chapter 1 class and go to a debug folder. Oh no, sorry. That's come right here. Go to the debug folder. Debug folder right away. And the chapter 1 classwork. Double click it. Alright, it works right now. So right click it, copy, right there click copy, and you can put on your C drive, temporary put on your desktop right now. Okay, temporary, let me see. Let's put your desktop if you want to. Okay. I'll temporary put in desktop and I'll drop it later. Okay. So that's one exe file right now. Then that's coming back right here. I have an exe ready to submit. Now one exe. Now one Word file. Okay. So you're going to right click it, save link as. Alright. So make sure you are in the 125, and I'm going to make this chapter 1 folder. Alright, so I'm going to click important notes right here. Alright, so I'm opening it up right now. Alright, so on these important notes here, a lot of them are really obsolete. So you take a look them. If you can fix them. Alright, so then when we don't have Blackboard here, we're going to delete that. Okay, we delete that. Okay, so edit folding, edit this. Alright, so here to start Visual Studio, and you probably these already all obsolete, a lot of them. So you watch your video and fix it. You already watch a video and fix whatever this is not practical, not correct, fix them. Alright, so after this, you want to save these as file, save as. Okay, So you want to save as. All right. So important notes here, and you want to put your name in front. Important notes here. All right. So beside these, there are 4 questions you need to copy. Okay. So research the following. So Control C right here, Control C right here, and you put these 4 questions here. Then we're going to share. If anyone who find out the answer for what is the iostream, and put your iostream here. Okay. By the way, this is \n. One is \n, is not /n. Okay, \n. All right. So again, a lot of these need to be fixed right now. So I will give the extra credit for whoever to upload your correct file right here. Okay, so you can click it and give us a file here. It's okay. So this is a hands-on class, so it's not I keep on lecture, because that way you kind of too boring right now. So right now your job is finish chapter 1 classwork. Finish chapter 1 classwork. All right. So